Welcome to Stop 4 of the legendary 17-mile drive, the Restless Sea, or as I like to call it, the ocean's dramatic phase. Seriously, this part of the coast looks like Poseidon's having a meltdown. Waves are crashing into each other from different directions, like it's a water-based traffic jam, except nobody's using their blinkers. It's called the Restless Sea because it never chills. But get this, right next to the chaos, tide pools are just vibing. It's like beachfront property for sea urchins. Very exclusive, very chill, totally ignoring the aquatic rave going on next door. Meanwhile, the local birds are absolutely showing off. Pelicans doing dive bombs, cormorants catching snacks mid-wave like they've got their own surf report. It's nature's version of Top Gun. So hang on to your hats, soak up the salt air, and remember, the Restless Sea doesn't do calm, but it does deliver an unforgettable show.